How to activate back tap on iPhone 12. So if you have the iPhone 12 series, anyone, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, or iPhone 12 Pro Max, and now you want to use the back tap so that when you tap the back button just like this, an action will be performed. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to activate back tap on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and put the settings app on your phone. On the settings page, scroll down and then click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the page, locate touch and click on it. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, if you see back tap, then go ahead and click on that. Once you click on back tap, then click on either double tap or triple tap and choose an action you want to happen when you double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone. So here, let's use double tap. Then come to system and then select what you want to happen here. You can just click on front camera. Now for you to use front camera on your iPhone, all you just need to do is double tap the back of your iPhone and the front camera will open automatically. Make sure while you are typing in the back of your phone, make sure you tap the Apple logo at the back, and then you can now go ahead and use your iPhone camera. You can also change the function to any other thing that pleases you. So just come back again. Select your choice. Could be take a screenshot, check your iPhone series spotlight session, and then rest of them. So that is basically how to activate back tap on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.